goodness, it's parked in Timbuktu.
Well, there was no parking.
There you go. What's that?
You're driving.
No, you didn't.
You're driving.
What?
Take the keys.
I don't want to.
You don't want to?
No.
Yes.
For real?
Walk around the front.
What's on the front?
Go look.
No. Oh my god. People are staring at us.
Everybody made me do this, so. You do. It's your very own car. Look, it just pops open. Is that enough trunk space for you? For real. For realsies. You're not on candid camera. It's for real.
Oh, I am.
No, you're just on video. No, I can't stop yet. Yeah.
Can't hold everything, put it in the trunk.
Well, put it on the ground. You don't need me. You got your own car. You don't need me no more. Just open the door.
You had Jack in the Box in my new car?
No?
There's a Jack in the Box.
Oh no, it's just my regular cup.
No way.
Do you like it? You want to get in it?
I don't.
You don't want to get in
I don't
it?
want to get in it.
You scared? It's your car, baby. Go for it. Yes, way.
Thank you. Can we leave now?
No. Pretty soon a flash mob's gonna show up.
It doesn't have a key. Is it
Uh-uh.
push to start?
Yeah, it's a push to start.
Okay.
No, you don't. You can do it. Put that in the back seat. You got 4 doors. Yeah, don't scratch that.
I know, that's why I need to know.
I'm just kidding. You scratch it, you buy it.
Okay, is this my car?
Yes, way, it's your car. You daddy bought it for you.
Thanks, Dad.
So you have to be home tonight when he gets up, okay? So were you surprised?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You had no idea?
No.
I had to hold this secret for 4
I
days.
can't believe you did it.
I know.
Press.
You can't drive with that on.
I know.
Oh, okay. Okay. I'll turn the video off
Love
now.
you.